Hi. In the next set of videos, we're going to take a look at probability in regards to games of chance, to pulling unknown dice out of a bag, and real world probabilistic situations. Let's first talk about the cards. In a deck of cards, there are usually 52 cards in a standard deck that have 9 numbered cards that go from 2 to 10. And there are 3 face cards, a jack, king, and queen. And then there is an ace, which can either act as a low card or a high card depending on the game you're playing. So each suit has a set of hearts, a set of diamonds, a set of clubs, and a set of spades. So that's going to be these 4 different suits times a total of 13 in each suit, or 52 cards.
So as we said before, there are 13 cards in each suit for a total of 52 cards. Now, a probability, let's talk about simple probability. The probability is the specific event or the specific outcome divided by all possible outcomes. So if I have a standard deck of cards, 52 cards, then all possible outcomes, if I just randomly pick a card, is going to be 52. So let's let A be the event, another word for the outcome, that I pick a heart. So I'm betting on whether or not I can pick a heart randomly from a deck. Well, as we said before, with 9 number cards, 3 face cards, and an ace, that means there are 13 possible ways that I can pick a heart out of a deck of 52 cards. So if this is the case where A is the event that we pick a heart, then the probability of A would be 13 divided by 52. In scenario B, let's be a little more specific now and say that B is the event that we pick the Queen of Hearts, right? So here's an example of the Queen of Hearts. Now, while there are 13 heart cards in a standard deck of 52 cards, there is only one Queen of Hearts. So the probability of B would be 1 of the 52. There's only one of 52 cards that is the Queen of Hearts. However, since there are 4 suits, there are 4 queens. So again, shuffling a deck, randomly choosing a card, what's the probability that I would pick a queen, any of the queens, hearts, spades, clubs, or diamond? So the probability here of C would be 4 of the 52. Reduce any fraction that's reducible. But I feel when it comes to comparing um, probabilities, it's best to leave the same base. That way you can easily see which one is more probable and which one is less probable. So while all of these are less likely to happen, meaning I have less than a half probability of getting any one of these events, A, B, or C, it seems like picking the very specific card, Queen of Hearts, is going to be the least probable of my 3 events, whereas picking the heart or any heart out of the deck would be of these 3 events, the most probable outcome. And that is, in a nutshell, simple probability.